Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's scroll and find Eye Comfort Shield, which is the name of the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. We can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on this switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. We can customize it, just enter this option. Currently we are in the adaptive mode, however I'd like to set the custom one, because here we can adjust the color temperature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It is almost orangish. You can set the schedule. Always on is the manual option. Sunset to sunrise means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, as you can see, and yes, okay. And you can also set the custom option, which means that you can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping, and your device will display the Eye Comfort Shield accordingly to the schedule. So, and this is how it works. And if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to localize the specific icon here. It is not available for some reason, but that's okay, no worries. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. And I'm sorry because I forgot that in this device, in this Android version, the Eye Comfort Shield is right here next to the brightness, so you don't have to add any other icons. I'm so sorry, my mistake. So right here, just by tapping on it you can turn it off, and of course by tapping on it again you can turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.